Hey everybody, my name is Nick, and if you want to know how to clear browser history in the Zen browser, you've come to the right video. Today I will show you how to do it. So first of all, let's open up Zen. Okay, and now at the top right, you can see the gear icon. To open settings, click on it. Okay, and now we are on the settings page. On the sidebar, you can see the list with many options. Here you need to find privacy and security and click on it. Now let's scroll down a bit to a center, and here you'll see the history field. And also here you'll find the clear history button right here. So to clear history, just click on this button. Okay, and this window will appear. So if you want to clear only history, you need to check the first checkbox and uncheck these three checkboxes. Or if you also want to clear cookies and site data, temporary cached files and pages, and site settings, you can check these three checkboxes too. And also at the top of this window you can see a period of time. You can select the necessary one. For example, if you want to delete all your browser history, you can click on everything, or only for last hour, last 2 hours, and so on. Let's select everything, and after that clear it. Click here, and that's all. And now let's make sure this works. At the top right you can see the 3 points button. Click on it, and here find history, and click on it. And you can see that there's empty recent history. And this is how you can clear browser history in Zen browser. Hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you. Goodbye.